This is Joe's 2011 Ford Mustang GT, 5-point slow, and the previous owner managed to paint these calipers red.
Yes, and do the worst job that I've ever seen possible. They even painted the little compressors here. For
the little slider pins over there. There's a little boot around it. They painted over it. But it's whatever.
A little bit rusty as well, the car.
It's not that bad. This is a Canadian car, and there's literally like a little thing there. You can't see because I don't have a light on it. Give me like one second.
I have one.
Oh.
Yeah, so...
Show a light over there.
Yeah. So you know what it is? The guy before me, he drove it in the winter, and then I drove it in the winter for 1 year, and then this year is the first year it's ever not, gone.
But like for like 9 years, driven in the winter and everything.
Yeah,
this car is amazing for winter driven.
I had to polish all the paint though. Like it was really, really like swirled and stuff.
It's not bad. It's
now
pretty good.
I spent 16 hours with Mr. Colin polishing the whole thing.
Yeah.
More recently though, the car got a pretty major upgrade in terms of power. Let me see if I can pop this. It's got a Boss 302 intake manifold. Where's my prop? There it is. Yeah, it's got a Boss 302 intake manifold, JLT Series 2 cold air intake. Yeah. And I got the Boss 302 specific strut tower bar because like the stock one didn't fit obviously over the Boss manifold. It has Flowmaster, a mid-pipe, high-flow cats, and it has Roush axle backs. And a tune on it now, a base tune anyway.
And your custom painted covers.
Yep, those are sick. No, those are really, really cool. I like that's why I'm painting my calipers blue, just to match that like whole theme. I wish this filter here was blue, but...
Just painted blue.
Could you buy another filter?
I could, yeah. JLT filter, yeah, I could buy
paint it nice and blue.
Well, because like you're supposed to change these every year anyway, so like the next one I buy, I'll just like
air filter.
I've never changed my air filter on the Hyundai. I should do that.
But yeah, so and then the previous owner as well had these painted. These are Brembos, the 4-piston Brembos off the GT500. That's what came with the Brembo Pack GTs, which is what this car is, track pack, I don't know what to call it. But he painted also this little like bleeder valve here red, so I had to fucking go over and paint it black. You're not even supposed to paint that. I don't know, man.
You're gonna put the Brembo stickers, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna put the Brembo stickers.
Yeah. So what kit is this that you used?
It's actually I wanted to give it a try. Like like I didn't really care like how it looked, to be honest, because nothing could look as bad as it did before. I have pictures of it. I'll send it to Dan so he can put it in the video. But like, it was really, really bad. It's a Duplicolor kit from Canadian Tire. It was actually on sale for $20. I wanted to see what kind of work $20 could do. And to be honest, it's not bad. Yeah. For $20, I can't complain.
Not too bad.
Because it has to be specific.
Yeah, like paint.
So
Yeah, it's like ceramic. It's like pretty tough, except for when I
back
put the
as
wheel
well.
back on. Yeah, it's like not bad.
It looks kind of fresh because you've been touching it up a little bit.
But it's not bad.
That's this right. Oh, let me grab it in a way you can actually read it.
Yeah. Duplicolor caliper paint. It's not bad. You can also buy a kit off Amazon that's a little bit more expensive, but I wanted to, take the easy way out and do it this way.
Hey, $20 and it's gonna look nice, eh?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's not gonna look bad.
I like that it's gonna match the...
Yeah, like it's almost the exact same color as the coil covers.
Yeah.
So you know what? I really can't complain.
But we figured out if we were trying to polish this.
Oh yeah, don't try.
It won't work.
Definitely don't try and polish it, because I tried wet sanding it and I tried polishing it. So I went 1,000 grit, 2,000 grit, 3,000 grit. All it did was leave it white. Like it went like pretty fucked. So I would not try and wet sand it or polish it if you do that, because there's like must be some sort of film in it that prevents you from polishing it. But just leave it as it is. Put the Brembo sticker on and call it a day.
Sweet.
But even the interior, like it's like pretty clean. Like when I bought it, the only options that it's missing is the gigantic screen, the touch screen, and the glass roof. But other than that, it's a completely fully loaded car.
Got a good boy in there.
Oh yeah, good manual, proper trans.
The correct amount of pedals.
But yeah, it's pretty loud. I'd love the next things I'm probably gonna do to it is lower it and then put a set of long tubes, and the car's probably gonna be done. A set of long tubes would be ridiculously loud though.
Yeah.
So I probably need to weld in like some resonators.
Well, will the long tubes fit in like easily, or is it gonna be like my car and it's a problem?
To be honest, I'd probably need to delete the cats if I went with long tubes.
Don't need cats.
You don't need those things in Ontario. Mr. Doug Ford fixed that law with us, so we don't need cats anymore. We don't need those things.
No.
We're like the Texans now.
Yeah, boy.
What about Miko?
Look, he had his fucking hairspray bottle.
Oh yeah, no, that's what I was using that to polish.
Shout out Meekix Love and Cut.
Yeah.
best haircuts,
In the GTA.
GTA.
I think, in the world.
Yeah, to be honest, we all get our haircuts by him.
So that's how you're gonna do it. Pretty nice.
No, it's pretty easy, and like it comes with a brush, but don't use it because it's shit. Remember?
Oh yeah, the brush that the kit comes with kind of falls apart. Okay, we're gonna start this boy. It's probably just gonna be inaudible on the camera, but
Oh yeah.
prime that fuel pump, boy.
Jesus Christ. You hear it sucking. When I rev it up, you'll hear it go. Tss. Starting to quiet it down. What? That's funny.
It was fast.
Oh, my engine light's back. Oh no! Right, we're gonna scan it. Hold on. Oh yeah, it's too much power.
I like the carbon monoxide.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
So it must be
Scanned
a
it.
bad purge valve, so it's evaporative system sensor switch circuit range and performance. That's good. Let's say goodbye to that code. See, this is what you do when you have a check engine light. You just pretend it doesn't exist.
You just delete it, yeah.
See, now it goes away forever. Well, till the next time I start the car.
It's like my emotional issues. Just pretend they're not there. Anyway.